Now to start off, we need to make a centre for this, and we need to make a flat hook to hold this centre. So I'll show you an exaggerated one first so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But what we do is we bend the top of our 24 wire, so there's a hook, and then I'm going to bend it again halfway along that hook so it flattens out. So in actual fact it ends up in the centre of the original hook, and that's what the shape we're going to use to make our daisy centre. So I'll make a smaller one now because I don't want one that big to go in the centre of the daisy, so I'm just going to turn it over and then again halfway along so we've got this little tiny flat hook. Now I need a little bit of paste to do this. I just work my paste and then I'm going to put it in my hand and make it into a ball shape. And I'm going to get my glue and put a little on it, not too much otherwise it makes it too wet. And I'm going to push it into the centre and turn it so it actually holds into that paste, and I'm going to flatten the top around the end of the wire and slightly flatten it in my hand. Just slightly flatten it out. I'll put that to one side, and I've got one here that is dry. I've left it overnight to dry and it's nice and hard now. Now what I want to do is to make it so it looks as if it's got some daisy centre on it. So what I'm going to do is to paint that with my glue, my edible glue. And here I've just got some granulated sugar that I've put some petal dust into it and mixed it up very well, and it's made some nice yellow colour to it. So I'm going to put that in there, just turn it round, and I've got the centre. And that looks like a nice daisy centre there. So again, I've got one that's dry, so I'll put that to one side, and that's ready to take my first lot of petals